वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, और नए दिन की नई शुरुआत हो रही है डे 2 इन दुबई। और आपको दिखाते हैं नज़ारा। तो ये जो आपको सामने दिख रहा है बुर्ज अल अरब है ये। तो भाई लोग, मैंने अपनी बना ली कॉफ़ी, और कॉफ़ी के साथ जब नज़ारा हो ऐसा, हा हा हा। और देखो जी दुबई फ्रेम। Cheers to the day. Good life, good health, and lots of wealth. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। सो हम उठ गए 7:30 हो रहे हैं, एंड वी आर गोइंग फॉर द ब्रेकफास्ट। सो दैट विल बी इन सैफरन, क्योंकि हम इंडियन हैं इसलिए।
Because it has an Indian cuisine also.
या
Otherwise, Kaleidoscope has only Western cuisine.
सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग फॉर सैफरन। टुमारो विल चेक आउट, बट डोंट ईट। सो लेट्स सी। तो भाई ये है सैफरन, एंड यहाँ हम आए हैं अपना ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए। लुक एट द वैरायटी ऑफ ब्रेड्स, देन दे हैव डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ cuisines as well. Huge restaurant. मैंने अपना ब्रेकफास्ट ले लिया, एंड आई एम हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स अनदर सेक्शन फॉर द ब्रेड्स, एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू ईट इट ऑल। तो भाई ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया, धूप खा रहे हैं, फटाफट से रूम में जाते हैं और रेडी होके शूज़ वूज़ डाल के निकलते हैं अपनी आज की जर्नी पे। देख रहे हो, पाम जुमेरा पे पाम ट्रीज के नीचे बैठ के ब्रेकफास्ट हो रहा है। All set, ready to leave and go for the Dubai city tour today. So going towards the main lobby to meet Mr. Omar, who has come and who will be guiding us throughout the day today. Let's go. ये है रेड कारपेट, ठीक है। हम उल्टे चल रहे हैं, पहले हम घुस गए ऐसे ही, अब रेड कारपेट वेलकम आउट गोइंग के टाइम पे कर रहे हैं। दिस इज द मेन एंट्रेंस। वी आर वेटिंग जस्ट फॉर मिस्टर उमर, ट्राइंग टू फिगर हिम आउट। हमने पाम जुमेरा, हाँ। हर लड़के का सपना है ये देखना और इसको चलाना। ओहो हो, मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ अब मैं, निशब्द हो गए हैं। अभी तो दिन शुरू हुआ है। So this is our group.
Just so they can. Well, I guess WhatsApp I don't.
Everybody is just a bit busy in their phones. So that's Omar from Egypt. So we have different nationalities over here sitting.
Okay, I mean.
Now we are starting for the hotel inspection, or you can say a bit of side inspection.
So right now we are in the East Tower for Atlantis The Palm. Both hotels are connected because all of this is the world's largest water park. We have 105 slides. Ideal for families, like not families, but like for everyone. Like I love going. It's just, yeah, just make the queue and then you're good to go. My favorite tower is the last one that is white, orange, and red. And then both hotels will have, among the two properties, we have approximately 2 kilometers of each area, basically. And then of course that's that building over there. It's Atlantis The Royal, and they have also their. Similar layout to the one that you guys have because it's also facing palm. It's just because this one is queen. Yeah. So just to let you know a little bit about the rooms. So they are 55 square meters, and some of them they can either have a balcony or a French balcony, which is you just open the. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. And you just open the window door and you're right there. So here the occupancy can be 2 adults and 2 kids, or 3 adults. The sofa is a sofa bed, and our children policy is up to 13.9 or 14 years old, and our infant policy is up to 3.9 years old. Okay, depending on if you book through the CAG, which is the DMC, they usually get our wholesale net rates, and they would get breakfast and dinner inclusive, like an HB sort of program. While in Atlantis The Royal is only breakfast inclusive. And the rate, if I give you like the bar or like the most expensive, not the most expensive, but like online rate of the hotel, leading from $500. You can get a lower rate or a higher rate. Now because it's high season, it's higher, but in summer you can get it down to $350, $400 a night. It includes the room, 2 adults, 2 kids, and the water park and the party mattress, which is. It's very spacious. It's so this room is 104 square meters. We can accommodate a family of 4, again 2 adults, 2 kids, and this room can also be connected to the one we just saw.
Yes.
So that door there connects to the one to the queen room. Okay. These rooms, all of our suites already come inclusive of the Imperial Club Lounge. So that's over like by default. But if the guest is staying in a standard room like the one we just saw, and they want to access the Imperial Club Lounge, they would just have to purchase the additional package or just pay the difference for the room character. Okay. This one again has a bigger balcony, and you have the whole Palm Jumeirah.
I think they should have given us this room. We all could have fit in
We all could
the
have just
same.
stayed together.
This year. So it's a really cool experience.
Very, very cool.
Yes, yes.
Any questions? Any questions as of now? They also have a separate area at the beach that they can access for the private.
That's good.
The origami one, right? No,
It's like a waterfall of silver tinsel from the like atrium down.
So yeah, just for you to see the venue, it's the biggest Nobu. As of now, we can accommodate up to 400 guests. We have a private dining room on this side. We can host private events there, and then all of these areas can also be closed and be private. We also have outdoor seating. I mean, you have seen the outside, it's the same as in the room. But it's for you to know, we will have also for New Year's celebration here, and the fireworks will be a different level. So the guests can take either a lava dinner, which is with the concert, with 1 to 5, or they can take a package with one of the restaurants and just stay and enjoy the fireworks. Yes, you can close it and you can. And so, as I said, usually our rates for the DMCs are HP, so like breakfast and dinner. But usually dinners are, of course, products. Usually for dinner, the restaurants that are included are more like a la carte or cashew. But however, we also have set menus, so if the guests want to come up here, they will just have to pay a supplement, and they can enjoy from a set menu here as well.
Nice.
Okay.
How's the experience so far?
Very beautiful. Very cool space.
Thank you, I know. And what about you, Mr. Niraj?
He's unimpressed. Look at him.
I'm not impressed.
He doesn't want to be in here right now.